Hi, I'm Myla from the Philippines. Today, I'm going to cook two popular Korean dishes called Jjajangmyeon and Galbi-jjim. In a heavy pot, put beef ribs, soy sauce, water, mushroom water, chopped garlic and ginger. Season with sugar. Bring to a boil and let simmer for 3 hours or until tender. For the jjajangmyeon, fry chunjang in a pan until fragrant, then set aside. Chop onions, cabbage, and leeks. Fry pieces of pork belly. When the pork is tender, add in the veggies and chunjang. Add water and oyster sauce. Season with sugar and sesame oil. Cook noodles according to instructions. Garnish with slices of cucumber. After a few hours, you can enjoy your galbi-jjim. It's so good.